Water is life, the purest source of energy and information. Even your own body is 72% water. It's no surprise then that dehydration or damaged water impacts your health. However, not all waters are created equal. In its purest and most natural state, water has the necessary nutrients and molecular makeup to provide you with all the sustenance your body requires. In most cases, though, your tap water and even bottled water is not pure.
This drink can kill you. This drink is dirty water.
Nowadays, only 3% of the world's water is pure enough to drink. The usage of water has doubled in the last 50 years, while the quality of water has been rapidly declining. The world's waters are not polluted only by factories and individuals, but also as a byproduct of intensive farming, which uses composts, pesticides, and other substances harmful to humans. For the removal of substances which can't be digested by bacteria and mold, such as inorganic solutions, acids, alkalis, toxins, or heavy metals such as lead, zinc, tin, and nickel, very complex physical and chemical processes are required. They help purify water, but these processes aren't able to recover the naturally contained minerals in water.
We should realize that a lot of bottled water is tap water.
What do you mean? I thought that they came from like the mountains and the streams and the springs of Maine.
That's what they would have us believe.
China, Austria, Belgium, Finland, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, the Netherlands, Hungary, and Japan. All these countries have said that fluoride, number one, is ineffective and toxic and should not be used. We are still using it. There's something wrong here. I think it's time that we become aware and do something about it.
I've been collecting water labels from my travels. Baby water, which is a crime.
You can go to a CVS pharmacy right now and you can find a gallon jug of water. It's called nursery water. And it says formulated with extra fluoride for growing babies or something like that. It should have a skull and crossbones on it. It should be like, if you want to kill your baby, feed them this. It's that bad.
Voda Juliana Limited is located in a small, green, and hilly country in the heart of Europe. The mission of the company is to offer our customers precisely the kind of water they would have if they were drinking it directly from the water source. Due to a deep respect for our water's natural organic composition, we do not store it in tanks and we do not disinfect or treat it. Our intact alpine natural environment allows for the constant inflow of fresh, crystal clear drinking water. At Voda Juliana, there are no harmful or questionable substances. Our water is pumped from the Romy underground water well. The water flows into production through stainless inox pipes. In order to maintain our water's natural structure, we use only mechanical filtration. The filter is located at the monoblock intake pipe and prevents the entry of particulate matter. The production process involves 3 basic steps: washing, filling, and capping of the bottles. Our filling station is connected to an electronic control panel which reads the pH value, electric conductivity, turbidity, and temperature of the water. If the values do not meet the prescribed standards, the charging process is automatically terminated. Following this, the labels are attached and then marked with the fill and expiration dates, controlling footprint, volume controlling, and a monthly control procedure whereby randomly selected packaging is sent for review and analysis to the Institute of Public Health in Kran. This institute ensures full implementation of the requirements stipulated in the regulations governing natural mineral water, spring water, and table water. Juliana is pure spring water with a natural pH level of 7.6. Neutral acidity harmonizes the human body and optimizes all the natural processes which enable it to maintain health. In 2005, Voda Juliana was awarded the gold medal in the People's Choice Package Design Division in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia. At the International Agricultural and Food Fair in 2014, our water won a silver medal for its quality. We recommend our water even for the youngest children. The micro and macro geographical location of the filling and bottling station facilitates the shipping of large quantities of bottled water. The nearest ports are in Koper and Trieste, just 140 kilometers away, and are connected to the station by railway lines and 2 highways. Ten reasons to choose Juliana spring water. It is not collected in tanks. It is not chemically cleaned or disinfected. It contains no additives. Analysis of the water at the source yields the same results as tested bottled water. It is perfectly safe. It is distinguished by excellent taste. It contains the optimal pH value of 7.6. It is perfect for children. The bottle design has been awarded a gold medal. It is the first Slovenian bottled water. Voda Juliana, the first Slovenian bottled water and my first water.